I kill her, she sell it for feelings, players and dick. Drop top, drop top, while on drop top, drop top, drop top, drop top, drop top, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
So my do the dashes. So you know what today is? We about to go ahead and get the Type S lowered. Got my guy Mike pull up in a clean BMW. Shit clean. Bro, this shit clean as hell, bro.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
I'm like, it look better in person, bro. What's up? I'm Jeremiah, bro.
I'm Mike.
For sure. Yeah, this shit clean. This a 3 Series?
Yeah.
330. Is it the diesel, right?
No, 28i.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You hear them turbos whistling. Yeah, so yeah, this is what we working with, man. Just I got these Megans.
Oh, perfect.
From a guy that had an 08 TL. He said he had them on for like 6 months.
Okay.
It looked like he had them for long. But I'm like, they look pretty good. I mean, got them for $200. So
That's pretty
I was
good
like,
deal.
yeah, I couldn't beat it. So
And you said you have ball joints too?
yeah, got the 555 ball joints. Cause I don't think the suspension ever been changed, like in here. So these the lowers. Yeah, I think these the lowers. So
Okay.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah, I be doing the venomous collector shit. He be throwing them right here at the park right here. I
Oh,
okay.
okay.
Like right up the street.
Word.
Yeah, that's a nice ass jag. I ain't never seen one of those before, but you could definitely get on a slam car with those.
I mean, on my car, I just got to take this off.
Yeah.
I'll be able to put it on without any wood or anything.
Yeah.
But I always have wood just in case. Could you pop the hood too?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
got to take off the strut bar and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a little small YouTube channel too, Do the Dash KJ. I be doing like little car shit here and there. Yeah, I ain't really got shit done to it, but just the cold air intake. That's just plastic. Just take this.
Go.
Throw this in the back. Hey, Oh, what's he say? Say, hey, Poopy.
I paid my potty.
Your potty?
Oh,
okay.
this one was loose. Like the
Oh,
spring
wow.
was all like chattering up and down.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna just adjust them so it's gonna be the same,
Yeah.
same height.
Okay.
Toss it in. I'm just looking up the part numbers for the ball joints.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a
It
little
look-
bit of a struggle.
Yeah.
He's gotta.
Wiggle it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am not good in small spaces. So I would see that right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. Is that one of the joints?
I believe so. I'm not sure
Looks
how
like
do you change that.
That one. Is...
Yeah, so I got the upper
Okay.
ball joints. I see you got the press.
Yeah,
the
I
press
do.
tools. Yeah, so this make this shit super easy.
All right.
And then I got the lowers. So the Sankey 555s are going to be the lower, and then the other ones are going to be the top one. Cause I
should be
heard,
pretty easy to tell them apart when
Yeah.
they're together.
yeah, cause I was doing like some research, and it was like never put anything but OEM or the 555 for the lowers. Cause
Yeah.
that's the one that hold like the more stress, like hold kind of like a lot of stress.
Best to go OEM or
Yeah.
poly. This looks like it's the lower. Yeah.
Yep. So yeah, those are lower.
Let me just check the bolt.
And these the TRQ ones. I'm gonna just run these temporarily. Yeah, I'm gonna run these.
Feels a little bit bigger, unless it's probably for this side. I don't know. Right.
And then these for the uppers.
Okay. That also looks a lot bigger than the OEM bolt. It looks a lot longer.
It should.
Oh, this is the lower.
Oh, okay. And then
this
those are
one-
uppers.
That one. This also is a lower. These are different.
So I gotta find some
I'm
uppers.
gonna look up all the part
Yeah.
numbers.
Okay.
And then see where everything goes.
Okay.
Just post the diagrams.
All right. And that's the other one.
And you say that these are for the rear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Those are just the little arms.
This looks
Like some sort of bushing or something.
batch number.
Yeah, I'm gonna just run this stuff temporarily
Oh,
until I get like some skunk too control arms,
okay.
and then I'm gonna hit you up again.
Honestly, I would go with Megan arms.
Megan.
personally.
Okay. Yeah, cause I got the Megan coilovers.
Mhm. And honestly,
Okay.
the Megan arms are a lot better. You have a lot better adjustability on them.
Yeah.
I personally have Megan control arms on
Okay.
order right now.
Yeah, man, you slam.
Yeah,
This
and-
just slam.
I've only heard good things about Megan and SPL. I don't know if they make Honda parts too.
I heard of them, but
I know they make them for a lot of different
Yeah.
cars, but that's also a really good brand.
Yeah, I grabbed some
SPL
Megan.
is just a little bit pricey. It's like
Ooh, finally low. Max look flush, man. Definitely that space gonna look good.
that's basically.
She hasn't been washed in like 3-4 weeks, bro. She's been sitting here. Yeah. She's so dirty and neglected. Yeah, she look good, man. How y'all like it? I got Mike here, F30 Mike. What's your Instagram?
F30 Mike.
F30 Mike. Y'all hit him up, man, on IG. Do amazing work, man. Yeah, he definitely the truth. Yeah, it's flush. That shit look good. I want to see if I turn it, would it hit the fender? Cause I don't want it to pop out.